Morning students, today we'll continue acids, bases and salts, baking soda. Baking soda is sometimes added for faster cooking. The chemical name of a compound is sodium hydrogen carbonate NaHCO3. It is prepared as follows: sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide plus nitrate ammonium is mixed to form NH4Cl plus NaHCO3. Can you find the pH of sodium hydrogen carbonate as you have done in activity 4? Can you predict the reason for using to neutralize an acid? Baking soda is a mild non-corrosive base. The following reaction takes place when it is heated during cooking. NaHCO3, when it is heating, it undergoes Na2CO3 plus H2O plus carbon dioxide. Water and carbon dioxide are evolved. Uses of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Baking soda name is what? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Baking powder mainly contains NaHCO3 and its other components are CaH2PO4 taken twice and starch. NaHCO3 produces carbon dioxide which rises through bubbling druff into cake or bread. Due to the presence of carbon dioxide, it rises through bubbling druff into cake or bread. These results, the cake and bread are smooth and spongy. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is also an ingredient in antacids. Being alkaline, it neutralizes excess acid in the stomach and provides relief. It is also used as soda acid in fire extinguishers. It acts as mild antiseptic. Next, washing soda is also called as sodium carbonate. Another chemical that can be obtained from sodium chloride is Na2CO3, 10H2O. Washing soda. You have seen above that sodium carbonate can be obtained by heating baking soda. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda. It is also a basic salt. Na2CO3 plus H2O gives Na2CO3 into 10H2O. Sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate are useful chemicals for many industrial purposes. Uses of washing soda. Sodium carbonate is used in glass, soap and paper industries. It is used in the manufacture of sodium carbonates such as borax. Sodium carbonate can be used as a cleansing agent for domestic purposes. It is used for removing permanent hardness of water. Now we will see some questions are given here for that answers. Okay. Removing water of crystallization. In activity 16, take a few crystals of copper sulfate in a dry test tube and heat the test tube. You notice water droplets on sides of the test tube. Where did they come from? Add 2 to 3 drops of water on the sample of copper sulfate obtained after heating. Is the blue color of copper sulfate restored? In the above activity, copper sulfate crystals which seem to be dry contain the water of crystallization. When these crystals are heated, water present in crystals is evaporated and the salt turns white. When the crystals are moistured with water, the blue color reappears. Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of a salt. 5 water molecules are present in one formula unit of copper sulfate. Chemical formula for hydrated copper sulfate is CuSO4 into 5H2O. Now you would be able to answer the questions where the molecule is wet or not. Another salt which possesses water of crystallization is gypsum. It has 2 water molecules in its crystals and formula is. Let us see the uses of this salt. And gypsum is formed. You see, plaster of Paris. On careful heating of gypsum, At 373 Kelvin, it loses water molecule partially to become calcium sulfate hemihydrate. This is called plaster of Paris. The substance which doctors use as plaster for supporting fractured bones in the right position. Plaster of Paris is a white powder, and on mixing with water it sets into hot solid mass due to the formation of gypsum. Note, you might have noticed that only half water molecule is shown to be attached as a water of crystallization. It is written in this form because two formula units of CaSO4 share one molecule of water. Plaster of Paris is used for making toys, materials for decoration, and for making surfaces smooth. Okay students, this is your class and this is your acids, bases and salts. Okay, thank you ma.